Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to view or find your connected Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. This is useful when you forgot your Wi-Fi password, when you want to share Wi-Fi with someone or connect another device. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Wi-Fi settings. For that, tap on this gear icon. Now tap Network and Internet or Connections. And here, tap Wi-Fi. Now select the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Here I will be tapping on this gear icon just beside it. Now you can see password displayed over here. Tap on this eye icon and you will see the Wi-Fi password displayed in text. You can also tap QR code to share it. Your phone may ask for fingerprint, PIN, pattern. Simply confirm it and you will see your QR code. Remember, you can only see passwords for Wi-Fi networks you are already connected to. You cannot view passwords of other networks. And that's how, my friends, you can easily view your Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. If this video helped you, like the video, comment below and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.